What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about two different stocks today. We're going to be going over EXOD for Cryo C and PMTS at the request of Dr. Mike Burry. You guys, we're going to pause the music and get into this right now. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. Exodus movement. Apparently, the publicly traded stock behind Exodus Wallet is what you were saying, Cryo C. Looks very low liquidity. Probably a low market cap, right? Not that low, 522. I mean, still low, but not that low. Yeah, man. Weekly looks good, high to low. I don't like this chart, but look at that, man. Tipped your 2272. Literally tipped it, man. Can't make this up. Who says TA doesn't work? You tipped it. When you're above all your highs, or when you're in new all-time high territory where price doesn't make sense, you tipped your 2272 off of your last high, relative high to low. It's an ugly chart, but it's still a discernible movement. You can see the high to the low of this consolidation before you sprung up. This was the spring that sprung you all the way up to the 2272. And you've since pulled back to the 1618 and bounced off of it, actually. Really hot on the RSI. Really hot. You could do a bunch of things from here, man. I'm going to guess if you move up, you don't move past 57. I would doubt that you even move past this high, honestly, right now. You could move higher than the current price. You could go all the way back up to $30 or something like that. If you were to break this high, I doubt it would be by too much, but if it were, that's the extent of it, and I very much doubt that you would get up to $57. I'm very confident that this was your high. However, if I'm wrong, you've got a little wiggle room to work with. I'm not so confident that you're moving down from here like this right now. Maybe over time, but for now you might continue to move up, form some kind of lower high, double top, whatever, and then pull back. You could hold the 1618 as you already have, kind of. You might go all the way back to your 1272. Being that you hit your 2272, pulling back to your 1272 would be fine. I don't think you would go lower than that. I think around $10 would make sense to me. So that's probably what it does. And if it doesn't do $10, perhaps $15.50 or somewhere in between is where you're going. But I do think you probably go up a little bit more. If not, I mean, if you start selling off now, okay, cool, whatever. But inevitably, I do think you'll go higher. I think this is just the beginning of something that's going to take you on higher, but you're probably not ready for it now. It's probably going to be months away before you take that high out, probably. I don't know. Spitballing a lot of ideas on a chart that's really not the easiest to do TA on. Let's be real. High there, low there. I mean, the way it looks to me, man, you should be good for $85 to $286, that price range, in time. Sorry, gotta fix that. In time. So I don't know. Time will tell. But you're really hot on your daily and your weekly, so you probably cool off at some point. That's my best kind of guess. Anyways, moving on from there, let's talk about PMTS and get on with this bad boy. Looking at it here. Weekly RSI looks really good, really strong. Weekly price action looking strong as well with the nice volume. Bouncing around between your 382 and your 236, coming up to your 382 now, looking like you want to close. If you can close this week above your 382, that would be phenomenal. PMTS, that would be phenomenal. Do it. Good job, looking like you want to. Good job, man. Yeah. Keep going. So what? You had a negative 0.66% day. So what? Keep going. You better not tomorrow. You better not. It's okay if you go below here. You better not close below here tomorrow. You just got above it. Stay above it. Keep going. You got 2 days above it now. Closing. Get another one and another one. And if you do, in the very near future, you're moving up to $28, $30. You're at 21 now. Decent gains. And when I say very near future, I mean this month, if not sometime next month, early next month. maybe higher. Who knows? It's looking good. I like the weekly RSI. I like the daily RSI, so long as you don't turn around tomorrow. Tomorrow, if you were to close below this line, below about $20.70 there, perhaps you go all the way back to $17.20. Maybe you only go down to $19, whatever. I don't think this move up will be canceled if that happens. I just think it'll be delayed. It could be delayed by weeks, days, months, who knows. But it looks pretty damn convincing to me right now. So let's see it conclude. Let's see it close here tomorrow, Friday. Let's end the week up here above the 382 at $20.71. This would be your immediate next target. That'd be nice to see. And then if you have a positive reaction with that, the way that you're having a positive reaction with the 382 right now, I mean, you're looking for targets up here. You're looking for targets up here, and who knows, maybe higher. The sooner the better, but time will tell. And that's all I got for you guys. So if you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. Looking good. Looking good. Both of them are looking good, but I think PMTS, if tomorrow can close well, I think it'd be the one that looks a little bit better for the short term, for the more immediate term growth. Anyways, take care. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you all for coming. Bye-bye.